So first question is, could you briefly introduce yourself and about Falcon Finance?
Yeah, I'm Andrei. I'm the managing partner of Didbaf Labs and founding partner of Falcon Finance. And Falcon Finance is a universal collateralization protocol, which means that every liquid asset that may be used as collateral for a synthetic dollar and generate yield. So that's what Falcon Finance does.
And next question is, projects like Ethena's USD
Yeah.
and Hyperliquid's USDH are currently attracting significant attention from investors.
Of course.
In the stablecoin space. In comparison, what are the key advantages of Falcon stablecoin listing?
We offer different solutions because Ethena USDE is very good product and very good projects, frankly, right? But they rely on basis trading only. It's a good strategy, but this strategy has some limitations and focused on just some group of people, right? Hyperliquid USDH also based on hyperliquid performance and focused on the hyperliquid ecosystem, right? We Falcon Finance focus on the liquid assets in general, crypto, traditional finance, fiat, reward assets, and some commodities like gold. And our vision is to let people with any asset to be able to get some synthetic dollar and dollar yields and exit whenever they want to any other liquid asset. This is not better or worse, is different. And we are focusing on this user audience that wants to have such form of yield. And what we see that the largest TVO contributors for us and for other stablecoins, they're similar. Like,
so your total supply is really growing rapidly.
Yeah.
It's
6 months.
How big is it?
Now 2 billion.
2 billion?
Yes.
It's amazing. So you had some unique program like Bio.
Yes, something like this, yes.
That is how your rapid growth is realized.
Falcon Miles launched in July, but in July we already had over billion, yes.
And that's a lot of expansion. So, what do you see as the biggest challenge in convincing institutions to bring trillions of dollars worth of RWAs on chain through Falcon?
I think this is not only about Falcon, it's about the market in general, right? There is just not that much trading volume of tokenized assets on crypto space, right? Because you have traditional markets, you have real-world assets, right, that can be traded on traditional exchanges, and it's very liquid. Then you tokenize it, and it cannot be traded anymore because no market, no traders, right? And that's why we want to build our own tokenization engine that will rely on trading on traditional markets more. And I think the biggest challenge for the market is the merge between crypto and traditional space, right? Because when you tokenize something, it should have some need, right? That why you do this. For example, tokenized US dollars makes sense because you can shift funds around, right? Tokenized gold makes sense because you can shift value around, right, without moving the physical gold, right? It can work, but again, trading volumes are way less. But then something exotic is way harder, right? If something doesn't have liquidity and trading volume on traditional market, why will it have this liquidity and trading volume on crypto market? For example, it is very common discussion regarding the tokenized real estate, right? But real estate is illiquid asset on traditional world. Why would illiquid asset on traditional world be liquid in crypto world, right? It's just, I just don't know, right? This nature of the assets doesn't change, right? It's a form of ownership is changes, right? From like papers to crypto, but the nature isn't changes, right? That's why I think when we unlock like the utility that, okay, you go to Falcon, for example, with your stocks and to get some yield. Stock owner doesn't care if the stocks are tokenized or not. He cares of ownership, yield, security, and compliance. And that's how we can create this market. But then when these stocks are already tokenized and tokenized by a reason, right? Not just tokenized to get some yield, right? Then we can have some trading volumes on top of that, and then the market will grow. This is like a big vision, right? But it takes time and takes like efforts to build this market. It's not just like I tokenize something and then it's traded. No, you can see. But also we have some plans to integrate these X stocks product. There are volumes. People trade some of them, and liquid stocks can be used. Why not?
Makes Falcon Finance an attractive opportunity for Korean investors.
We built a good product, right? And we are working to make it even better, right? And we are focusing on a good design to deliver the best what we can deliver, this yield and sustainability, right? And on the crypto space, not that many players that deliver these products, right? Not that many ways where you can have substantial and stable US dollar yield. And we want to be, and we are one of these places, right? And as a Korean investors, right, this market is very big, very active, right? And we believe that the investors can enjoy this at yield first, and then when we have the governance token launched, we expect and we would like to have more governance proposals and governance participation from the Korean market, because it's one of the most important markets for us.
It's the 1 quarter is left for this year, right? So could you share any plans or milestones Falcon Finance aiming to achieve by the end of the year?
Yes, definitely. We want to add fiat rails to Falcon to let people use fiat. And we also want and we focus to launch our tokenization engine for real-world assets to allow people to deposit some real-world assets and use it for minting USDF and yield generation. And of course, governance token and governance mechanics should be also launched. This is like the big milestones for us, yes.
And this is really
I hope so.
lastly, so you have anything what to say for Korean users or market?
As I said, right, Korean users and the Korean market is very important for us, right? And it's one of the largest market in the world. And so what I can say, right? I appreciate that you guys trust us, that you contribute some efforts and resources to Falcon, and that you follow us. And we will do our best to fulfill your needs. Yeah. Thank you.
So thank you for the time today. That was really great.
Thank you. Thank you so much.